train of thought is before you go out to the boat ramp to go fishing or joyriding with your boat, be sure that you start the motor up at home before you leave to make sure that it's working. Don't get to the boat ramp and be embarrassed and disappointed. Above all, disappointment that you can't go out because the motor won't start. It's some type of mechanical failure. Try it out before you leave the house. It's a good thought to keep in mind. Peace. He done tried to start that motor up about 10 times. And then he finally untied it and drifting back. It's a cold start Mercury this morning. It's about, what, 43 degrees right now? He has some issues with that. The other guy asked him, do he have his plug in the boat? What that got to do with anything?
On that side, I caught a glimpse in the mirror there. It looked a whole lot better there.
I don't know. He said he thought the boat was listing.
I quit taking it out. I put it in one day. We were getting scared right in here over top of the hydraulic. Luckily, we got bait real quick. My nephew said, where's this water in the floor coming from? Coming up through the drain hole. He got the trailer down here and they drove the boat up on top of like a busted tire when it pulled up. I ain't took that plug out of me other than washing the boat.
You ain't got no weed eater string on you, do you?
Huh?
Weed eater string.
Might be some up in the truck.
I find something here.
What do you need? How much you need?
Pistol stopped up.
Oh yeah, I'll run and get. I should have some up there in the bag.
He needs some weed eater string. Try to fix his motor. So I don't know about that. What he gonna do with that? Sound like he said he was gonna fix the piston, clear the piston out. So I know he dropped his trolling motor. So I don't know. The other guy's going back to look in his truck for some weed eater string. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so show for show. No. All right.